Okay everybody, I'm here with my 2006 Nissan Titan XE 4x4 and I am now unboxing my new Stillen 3-row radiator. Up front, if this video is helpful to you or you want to help me out, please like and subscribe, comment. That teaches the algorithm that you like what you're seeing here and it helps me do more of this. So you'll see in a previous video what happened to my radiator. I have the old one on the ground here. It suffered some pretty catastrophic damage and I just wanted to show you the box of the new one. You can see Stillen's radiators are actually champion radiators, which is not a bad thing. Comes in a nice sturdy box here. Has styrofoam protecting the radiator, and you can see down inside there is, looks like no damage, which is good. These things can get a little mangled in shipping. So in a moment there I'll install it, but I'll show you here the old radiator and some of the features of it. So you can see it's all aluminum. It doesn't have those plastic tanks at the top and the bottom. It has two nubs here for your transmission cooling. That's important because on the stock radiator, this area is what often fails and can catastrophically damage your transmission. You can see in mine, the hose had a tough time coming off. I finally cut it. I do have another video where I recommend that you actually replace these hoses anyways. They tend to get pretty gnarly over time. Here's the lower pipe, the upper pipe, and it comes with a champion cap. I never had a problem with this cap, but some thought could be given to using a stock cap because it was already a source of issue. So there you go, there's your Stillen 3-row radiator. Coming soon, there'll be another video with it installed that shows you how I put it back together. Thanks for watching, everyone.